Are you tired of the constant struggle with your disposable razor? Do you want a closer, smoother shave that leaves your skin feeling rejuvenated? Look no further. In this ultimate guide, we'll teach you how to master the art of using a safety razor.
Step 1. Preparing your face.
Before you start, make sure your face is clean and free from any dirt or oils. Apply a warm towel to your face to soften the hair and open up your pores. This will ensure a closer shave and reduce the chances of irritation. Step 2. Building the perfect lather. Using a high-quality shaving brush, work the shaving soap or cream into a rich lather. Apply the lather to your face in a circular motion to lift the hair and create a protective barrier between your skin and the razor. Practice makes perfect. With time and patience, you'll become a pro at using a safety razor. So why wait? Start your journey towards a better shave today.